welcome back to our YouTube channel. And then this week we're talking about TFSA. So what is a TFSA? A TFSA is a tax-free savings account. What that basically means is that you do not pay tax on your savings. So if you're saving with a certain bank and you're getting interest, or you're getting dividends, or you're getting whatever it is, your money is growing, by the time you want to withdraw it, you're not going to be asked to pay tax. So that's the great thing about it. It has its own terms and conditions, but we'll get to that whilst we're in the video, so stay tuned.
With that said, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The River Twins. My name is Basitana and she is...
I'm Renee. We are River Twins.
Yeah, but if you are a returning sub, thank you for always watching and supporting us, commenting. We see those comments, we comment back. The feedback, the conversation between us and you, it's superb. We love you guys. And then if you are viewing our video for the first time, please hit that subscribe button and that notification button so that we know when we post a new video. We're all about financial literacy. So yeah, let's get into it.
So the terms and conditions of a tax-free savings account is that you have a limit to save for each year. So the limit is 36,000. So whatever you save in the year, you don't have to say I'm gonna pay 1,000 every month. You save no matter how you want to. So you say that you can save 200, next month is 2,000, the next week is 2,400, but you have to stay within 36,000. And what also that means, it says if you saving with it and you put your money 5,000, and in about 3 months you need your money and you put a notice to withdraw your money and you withdraw 3,000, it doesn't mean now you can put another extra 3,000 on top of the limit. It's already counted in that. So it will basically mean that if in that year you withdraw 3,000, then you're going to be able to save 33,000.
Yeah. The other terms and condition of it is that with that limit of 36,000, if you do exceed it, the limit is 36,000 and a lifetime is 500,000 rand. So if you do exceed it, then you're going to be penalized by SALT to pay 40% of your money.
Imagine 40%
of your money. So I don't think you want to do that. You just have to keep track of how much you've been saving, how much you've been withdrawing, going in and out of your account, and make sure it's 36,000
in a year. Yes. And also to add to this is that you can have multiple TFSA. So you can have it at FNB, you can have it at Nedbank, at whatever institution you choose to save with, but also it has to be 36,000 across all yes, so across all borders, across all your savings account, it has to be. So you can't be saying with FNB then it's 36,000, then with ABSA then it's 36,000. It doesn't work like that. So across all your platforms that you're using, it has to go to a maximum of 36,000 in a year, and so 500,000 for a lifetime.
So basically it's saying per individual is 36,000, not per account.
Yes,
per person. Yeah, it can be summarized like that. Okay, let's talk about where can you find a TFSA? Where can you open your TFSA? Capital.
I think before we talk about that, sorry to jump in, we're gonna focus on the savings. We know that we can also invest, but basically this video is focused on savings. So we're not gonna talk about the interest rates of investment. We'll do that another lifetime, another video. But this time we focus on the interest rate and the banks that offer for savings. Yes.
Okay. The following banks offer this TFSA, which is Capitec. The Capitec has an interest rate of 2.25% to 3.5% per year. So depending how much you save there, it's divided into 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to what, but the minimum is 2.25 and then the maximum is 3.5%. And then for Capitec, if you want to access your money early, like with any other savings, normally you have to give a notice to say I want to withdraw now. If you don't do that, you'll be penalized 300 rand to get your money. Yeah. And then the next one is
so the next one we're gonna look at FNB. So FNB, you can save it's also the 36,000, and it offers a percentage interest of 3.25 to 3.6. which is way better than Capitec, because if you calculate it, like if you've saved 1,000 already, you can get 3.25, but with Capitec is only 2.25. So this one is 3.25 to 3.6% with your maximum 36,000.
Yeah. And then the next one being Nedbank. Also this one, you have a minimum interest rate of 1.75 and a maximum interest rate of 2.5% per annum, which is very low between the two banks that we have already mentioned, Capitec and FNB. I think Nedbank is very, very low.
It's the worst. If you can take oh, maybe not, because with ABSA the minimum interest rate you get is 0.5%, and the maximum is 3%.
0.5.
So you will look at these banks and say, okay, the highest maximum here is FNB with 3.6, but the highest minimum here it's also it's FNB with 3.25.
Yeah.
So in this case, FNB is the best.
Guys, what did we say about FNB
the last time? Like,
what did we say about FNB the other time? Get on with the grip.
Get on with it. But maybe Time Bank is still coming, because we couldn't find information on Time Bank. It's not offering your TFSA, and also the
African Bank has the investment account. It doesn't have a savings account, but it does have a TFSA for the investment. And then Standard Bank,
it doesn't show information on their interest rates unless we didn't dig enough. But it does say that if it does offer a TFSA account, and if you wanna withdraw early your money, it penalizes you less than 500. So depending on the amount you want to withdraw, you won't pay anything more than 500. So that's
the banks that offer TFSA account currently now for a savings account, it's Capitec, it's FNB, it's Nedbank, it's ABSA. Those are the 4 banks that we have mentioned, that are minimum and their maximum interest rate. So if you are looking to open that TFSA, just check around those 4 banks that we have mentioned and make a decision on which one will best work for you. I think we are all individual, and then we all decide.
But our opinion, Nedbank is the worst with the interest rate, and FNB it's the best, and then Capitec it comes close to FNB, so it's not that bad, and most people now use Capitec. So it's really coming to show that
and
it's worth using
it. The fact that you won't even pay tax if you don't
withdraw your money or anything like that. Like, you won't get any penalties, so you won't basically pay to get your money. Because that's what most of the time you do when you save, invest, or do anything. You also pay to get that money. So this is one of the savings plans that people should look into having, and for the mere fact that you can save anyhow, you don't have to say it's a fixed amount every month. We need you to deposit this money, like they're on your neck. Like, if you don't deposit this money, then it means you're gonna have penalties, your service fees, your what. You see, you save anyhow you want to, and you don't have to get to the maximum.
I think that's the other important thing. You don't have to get to the maximum. Anything between 0 to 36,000 per year is okay. If you save 10,000, if you save 5,000, that's still great. The greatest thing is you don't pay tax. That's the huge thing about this.
I think this is the biggest lesson in this video, that you do not pay tax with this savings account. That's why it's called a tax-free savings account. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've been using a tax-free savings account, please comment down below. Tell us which bank you're using it with. Do you have multiple savings account? How are you juggling around all those things? And tell us your experience about it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below, do the most, and everything.
Subscribe. If this
hit that button,
if this red button is the subscribe button is still red,
turn it gray.
Click on it and let it turn gray. Bye.